Have some new pests. Didn't start out as a huge problem, but I'm starting to seeing some changes. So I have a little remedy, and we're gonna see how that works. So I'll show you guys what's going on. Well, you guys should see the tomatoes are loving their new homes. And this guy right here, I believe, yeah, we have a tiny little, where's he at? Yeah, see that right there? Little tomato coming right there from these flowers. The petals fell off, and that's our very first tomato. We have a lot of flowers and buds coming up, and we're just gonna have a lot of peppers. Also, if you look under here, boom, look at these. Look at the size of those. Coming along well. We're gonna have plenty more too. All right, so the onions have pretty much stayed the same. They're just keep growing new shoots down here that just keep growing into these nice tubular leaves, and they're just going strong. Like I added some new dirt after the last video, freshen up the nutrients when I water them. Okay, so on with the potatoes, and here is where the pest problem comes. So I'm getting all these tiny little black bugs right here, and they're actually everywhere. And you can already see the leaves are like Swiss cheese, man. All of them. They're all just munching these freaking leaves up. And it wasn't a problem at first. Here's the other one, same deal. But, you know what I'm saying, all my effort that I put into these, I just want to do something about it, see if I can counteract all this. And you already saw the pepper plant, but these leaves are a little bit thicker, but they're still attacking the leaves even a little bit more. So what I have here, got a bottle that I got some vinegar and dish soap. So I'm gonna fill this up with some water. All right, it's killing time. All right, everybody. Well, that was my first strike at combating the pests. I should load this up to the to my beast playlist as a pest removal. Just kidding. I hope that works. I hope I don't hurt them. This has been recommended to me by a couple people on Facebook. Thank you guys. So we'll see if this works. Hopefully we'll have some nicer looking leaves, or the damage will just stop in the progress it is right now. So, all right, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.